Alright, YouTubers, today the part 2 of the clock chime video. I want to let you know it's on St. Michael's on the chime choice thing where you can like switch the chime. YouTubers, same exact thing. We're gonna be using a flashlight again, as I have right here. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna flash the light at the hammers, guys, and okay, you can see that it is 10:58 right now, so the clock should actually strike 11 o'clock at night. Okay. If you take a look outside, it's pretty dark out there, huh? Here's the other side. You can take a look at that. I wonder when it's gonna go off, because we're actually the same exact thing. We're gonna be doing the same thing, like in each part. This is part 2 of the clock chime video of this 1981 thing. Triple chime grandfather clock. It is. I think it should go off. Any luck, we should. Sometime we'll get like a chiming. I'm not gonna switch to another side. It is 10:59 because this minute hand is on the dot before the hour. And I want to let you know that you may notice it's like a Ridgely clock, slide grandfather clock, a Hermel clock, or a Ergol's grandfather clock, because it has the numbers around it. Alright, any luck, we should get a chime, YouTubers. I don't know where to point it at, like maybe like right there should be a perfect spot. I think it should go off. Hey, look. Yep, it's gonna go off. It's pointed right there. Now, that was the 11 o'clock strike. The thing is that you may notice that you can hear the Seiko going off as well. So guys, I want to let you know that this clock is about like 30 or 40 years old. I'm not quite sure how old it is. It's probably, maybe about like, I think it's probably about like 30 years old, I think, to my opinion. Well, I hope you enjoy the part 2 of the clock chime video chiming St. Michael's, the 1981 grandfather clock chiming St. Michael's. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, and of course, no. Peace out. And don't forget to stay tuned for the next chime, the final chime. YouTubers.